2023-24 या वर्सा उजो पालोवपी दळाक वट्ट 8000 फोन कॉल्स आयिल्ले। उजो पालोवपी दळाच्या जवानांनी या वर्सा 194 मनशांचे जाल्यार 757 जनावरांचे जीव वाटयले। तशेंच या वर्सा 179 कोटींची मालमत्ता वांटोवपाक उजो पालोवपी दळाक येस आयला, अशी माहिती उजो पालोवपी दळाचो संचालक नितीन रायकरान दिल्या। आयतारा फायर सर्व्हिस दिसा निमतान उजो पालोवपी दळाच्या मुख्यालयात जाल्ले कार्यावळीत उजो पालोवपी दळाच्या संचालक उलयलो। तशेंच या कार्यावळीत उजो पालोवपी दळाच्या जवानांनी प्रात्यक्षिका दाखयली।
Today, 14th of April, is observed as the 80th National Fire Service Day across the country by all the fire service. This day is also called as a Martyrs' Day to pay homage to the 2023-24. The fire and emergency services have collectively attended 8,000 fire and emergency calls, out of which 3,000 fire incidents and 5,000 emergency incidents have been occurred, during which 194 human lives and 757 animal lives were saved, and the property worth of rupees 179 crores have been saved due to timely action of our brave firefighters.